Okay, the other day I dragged it forward, and today, yesterday and today, I didn't like the way how I had to stack that porch block. I had it on top of that paver, and then I had another paver underneath it. And over here in this corner, I had to have I had 4 2x4s stacked on top of it, and I didn't like the way it was. It would slide around if from vibration and everything. So I decided to dig a 36-inch hole, go down to frost line. I'm going to put rebar in it. Let me get some. I got a rebar framework that's going to go down in there. It's a 16-inch hole, 16-inch round hole down in there. I'm going to pour a couple of bags of cement down there to give me a nice 16-inch round footing, about 4 inches thick. Then I'm going to have 8-inch tube, just like this one, coming up off of it, with the rebar in the center of it. I bought these brackets to go around to set up underneath on the floor joists and stuff, and it's going to be mounted into the concrete so it won't move or shift. And I've got this hole to fill in with concrete, and I got this one to fill in with concrete today. So hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.